Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here today to do a unboxing for a yarn swap that I was in over the last month, or through the month of August. It was put on by Setta's Place, and it would be Setta. She organized this fun yarn swap. So I decided to participate in it, and so I am going to show what I got in the box. I did open the box, but have not looked inside. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you now. So I'm opening the box, and here is what's inside. Okay, there is a card, and of course, love it, cats, one of my favorite things. Thank you so much. My swap partner was Sierra and Lambert, and I sent her things and she sent me things. Thank you so much, Sierra. Okay, the first thing that I got was Red Heart Super Saver yarn in Minty. Love this color. So pretty. And this is really soft. Some Super Savers are not soft, but this is very soft. I really like this. So, here's Super Saver, Minty. And the next thing that I got was Red Heart Super Saver in Ocean. And the Ocean colorway, isn't that pretty? All those colors. And Ocean. Love the yarn, Sierra. Thank you so much. And this is awesome. She sent me a whole baggie full of different embroidery floss. Love it. There's some variegateds in here. There's a red variegated, some pink, green, blue, variegated. Oh, and there's a measuring tape right there. Awesome. Thank you so much. And she made me a key chain. It almost looks like a peacock eye. The eye that on the tails. Love peacocks, so very nice. Thank you. And I got something in here. Let me see. Oh, stitch markers. There's a shell. There's one that's pretty, if I can get them. Here's one, a little bottle. And there's one. And one more. Seahorse, it looks like. And a little seahorse. This is amazing. Thank you. And then I got a bag with cats on it. Love my cats. And inside is sewing patch home repair needles, but there's all kind of needles, so these will all come in handy for cross stitch and for other purposes. And the last thing that I got was a bag. And it says, "One cat short of crazy." And it is a nice sized bag. Nice size. Hold a lot of things. So, I just wanted to share my yarn swap package with everybody. And I want to thank Sierra so much for being my swap partner. I hope you enjoyed everything as well. I love everything. It was amazing. So thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.